Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to create a drop-down in Figma. First, let's set up the basic structure. Begin by drawing a rectangle, which will serve as the main container for your drop-down. Next, add a text layer inside this rectangle for the initial, selected option. Don't forget to include a small arrow icon, perhaps a triangle pointing downwards, to visually indicate that this element can be expanded. Group these three elements together for better organization. Now, let's design the individual options that will appear when the drop-down is open. Create separate frames for each option, ensuring they have consistent styling, like a uniform height of, say, 48 pixels. Place a text layer within each option frame. Stack these option frames vertically, directly beneath your main drop-down component. Utilizing auto layout here will help maintain consistent spacing, perhaps 8 pixels, between each option, making future adjustments much simpler. It's time to bring our drop-down to life with prototyping. Create two component states for your drop-down, a default state where only the main button is visible, and an open state where all the options are displayed. Connect the main drop-down button in the default state to the open state using an on-click interaction. Set the action to change to and choose Smart Animate for a smooth, visually appealing transition. This makes the drop-down feel responsive and professional. To complete our drop-down, let's add the selection logic. For each individual option within your open state, create an on-click interaction. This interaction should change the text layer of your main drop-down component to reflect the selected option's text. After selection, the drop-down should return to its default state, showing only the newly chosen value. Consider adding a hover state to each option for better user feedback, perhaps a subtle background color change.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.